So in today's video, let me show you how to open the recycle bin on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. So simply go into settings, and then under settings you want to scroll all the way down until you get to about phone. Tap on about phone, and then you want to select your storage, and then under storage you should be able to see the recently deleted option here. So to access your recycle bin, simply tap on the cleanup option. And then you want to scroll down all the way down and find recently deleted. So this is your recycle bin and you want to tap on that. And here you should be able to see all the notes, all the files, or all the photos and videos that you've deleted from your phone if the time that they're supposed to be there has not elapsed yet. That's basically how to do that, how to find the recycle bin or how to open the recycle bin on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this video is useful, leave a like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.